If you're over 60, you might notice your legs feeling heavy, your feet staying cold even under blankets, or chronic cramping that wakes you up at night. These symptoms are physically uncomfortable, and they triple your risk of a serious fall. This diagram illustrates what is happening inside your legs. The nitric oxide molecule keeps arteries wide open. After 60, natural production collapses by 70%. Without it, blood vessels shrink. Red blood cells cluster and struggle to push through the narrowed space. You can stimulate your body to produce nitric oxide again. By following a specific 5-minute daily routine using common grocery ingredients, you can widen these starved arteries by up to 30%. Before we break down the steps, I want you to start a 30-day photo challenge. Take a picture of your bare legs today. Keep it on your phone so you can track future changes in your skin color and the reduction in swelling as we move forward. Because your body is producing because beets contain chalcones called oxalates. If you have a history of kidney stones, you should consult your doctor before starting. You should also check with your doctor if you are on blood pressure medication, since this protocol naturally lowers blood pressure. Also, be aware your urine might turn pink. This is a harmless side effect called beechuria. It happens to 10 to 15% of people and is not a cause for panic. This daily 8-ounce pour is your non-negotiable baseline. It provides your body with the exact raw materials it needs to begin reopening the arteries in your legs. To ensure your body absorbs these nitrates, you must follow 2 strict consumption rules. First, you must drink the juice on an entirely empty stomach and wait a full 30 minutes before eating any food. The second rule is that you must not use mouthwash after drinking the juice. This diagram shows exactly why. The conversion process relies on specific natural bacteria living on the surface of your tongue. These bacteria are responsible for converting the nitrates from the juice into nitrates. Using antibacterial mouthwash instantly kills this essential bacteria. Without them, the entire conversion process halts, stopping your body from producing nitric oxide. Failing to follow these 2 specific biological rules stops the biochemistry from working, leaving the nitrates inert and unable to reach your bloodstream. Now we move to the afternoon phase of the protocol. This step is designed to keep your nitric oxide levels elevated for the rest of the day. Your easiest afternoon option is hibiscus tea. Steep 2 tea bags in hot water for 10 minutes to get a tart drink that is highly effective at improving blood flow. Now, your second option is celery juice. You will need to run 4 to 5 large stalks through a juicer. The taste is polarizing, very salty and earthy, but it delivers a heavy dose of natural nitrates. For those who want the fastest possible results, there is a maximum impact alternative. 3 to 4 times a week, swap out the tea or celery juice for an Arugula Supercharger smoothie. Here is the exact recipe to use. Blend 2 cups of fresh arugula, which is the highest natural source of dietary nitrates on the planet. Add 1 cup of blueberries, half a banana, and 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. The crucial constraint for this smoothie is time. Because natural nitrates degrade very quickly once the greens are broken down, you must consume the smoothie immediately after blending. You only need to select one of these afternoon options. Absolute consistency with a single choice is what ultimately accelerates your vascular healing. When you follow this routine consistently, the physical feedback is immediate. Within just 3 hours of your first drink, you will notice your feet beginning to feel warmer. By the end of the first week, the heavy, achy feeling in your lower legs will heavily diminish, and the chronic cramping will begin to stop. This timeline maps out your recovery. By week 2, your walking endurance, leg strength, and overall mobility will significantly improve as your arteries open and blood flow increases. At the end of the month, pull out that photo you took on day 1. Compare it to your legs in the mirror to see visible changes in the skin color and a reduction in the swelling. Rebuilding your vascular function requires a daily habit, similar to brushing your teeth or taking a prescribed medication. Your circulation won't fix itself, but starting tomorrow morning with 8 ounces of beet juice, you have the exact formula you need to reclaim your mobility and maintain your independence.